Hello everyone, this side Shubhangi Tiwari from Smart Step Classes, and again we are here among you all to share one more informative video that how to secure a confirmed seat in any of the bachelor's program in Canada. So guys, if you are a school pursuer, if you are pursuing your 12th standard and you have dream to study any of the bachelor's or undergrad program in any of the universities in Canada, what are the important documentation that you will be requiring anyways, and what will be the procedure? So guys, there's a list of documents which you will be requiring. First is your passport, front and back copy, and the clear scan copy wherein the Republic of India on the top should be clearly mentioned. Now, second document that you'll be needing at 9th official transcript. So when I say official transcript, if by any reason your school has provided you the result, which is only an online copy, or which is just a copy wherein the signature, stamp, and date from the principal side is missing, that will not be considered. So you are supposed to get the official transcript. अगर आपके पास official transcript नहीं है, you can simply request the school to print your result on the letterhead, get it signed, stamped, and dated by your principal, and that will be acceptable. Your 10th mark sheet, when I say the 10th mark sheet, the 10th mark sheet should be scanned front and back with no cutting of any edges. Otherwise, it will not be acceptable, and the copy has to be the CBSE result copy. Now, the next document is your 11th scorecard. Now, 11th scorecard again has to be the official transcript following the guidelines as stated in the 9th mark sheet. Now, next is your 12th mark sheet. But if you are a pursuing student of 12th, how will you be able to get the 12th mark sheet? Obviously, you are pursuing, so you won't be able to. So there is a process in the school which is followed on the basis of your 9th, 10th, 11th results. They will be able to give you a predicted scorecard. Now, predicted scorecard क्या होता है या draft क्या होता है? You can knock your counselor, you can ask a copy of reference from them and give the same to your teacher or your school counselor, and they'll be able to give you the same like copy based on your profile, which you can use as a predictive scorecard of 12th standard. Now, these are the educational documents which will be required. Other than this, the IELTS ETRF score. IELTS score is a must to have. If you're planning for Canada, don't go for any other language proficiency tests like PTE, TOEFL, Duolingo. Only go for IELTS because IELTS has the acceptance in the SDS category visa, right? Next, अब आपने application punch कर दिया है. Now you are waiting for the results, right? Now here, the Canadian universities does not only accept the scorecard which are sent by the counselor, but they will also be requiring the official copy to be mailed or delivered to them physically by the school itself. So अगर आप physically उनको अपने university में send करवा रहे हैं, that has to be sealed. And if you are requesting your school to officially mail them the copy of your mark sheets, then make sure that you are using the school email. Now, अगर आपके स्कूल का ईमेल या अगर आपकी कोई भी टीचर कहते हैं that we have, I will send because I am your business studies teacher, I am your biology teacher, or I am your counselor, don't go with that, because any of the Gmail email address or Yahoo, Reddit, or any of the common portal email address will not be entertained by the university, and they are requesting the mark sheets to come from the school's domain website email ID. So let's suppose if you are a student of Delhi Public School, so the email which is going to send the documents to the university should have that DPS portal in their mail ID. After this, you need to get your candidature prepared, your SOP prepared. And after creating all these documents, you will be eligible and you will be having the complete set of documents which will be required. LORs, Canadian universities, bachelor's program के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा request नहीं किए जाते हैं. But anyway, safe side आप LORs, एक या दो LORs अपने ready रख सकते हैं, because this is going to help you later. And whenever you are getting the documentation done, make sure that they are dated, they are signed, and they are stamped properly. Now talking about the master's program. So अगर आप master's program apply कर रहे हैं in any of the Canadian universities, make sure for MBA, GMAT is a must. There are hardly 3 universities across the Canada which accepts the admission for MBA without GMAT score. Otherwise, you can also have the GRE score as well for the masters. However, GRE हर university में applicable नहीं है, but MBA without GMAT is not possible, right? Now the documents you'll be needing your passport front and back copy, you'll be needing your resume, the recently updated resume, you'll be needing the transcript of all the education that you have completed. So you will be needing the 10th scorecard, 12th scorecard and the bachelor scorecard. Now bachelors में अगर आपने recently exam दिया है और आपकी marksheet आ गई है but you haven't got the degree, so provisional marksheet भी चल जाएगी, but the bachelor's marksheet all has to be there with you and that should be the original copy, right? Next is your statement of purpose. Write a detailed descriptive statement of purpose which is giving a clear idea that why the student is interested in applying for the particular program in this given university. Next document is IELTS ETRF, which is a must for applying in Canadian education system. And the most important part is, guys, that most of the universities in Canada requires the WES score, World Education Summit score. You must be wondering that WES is required for the PR. Yes, it is required for the PR, but also if you are applying for any of the master's program in Canada, you will also be needing the WES evaluation to be done. So इतने documents हमेशा ready रख के ही अपना application punch in करें, otherwise you will find less time, you will have to have the hassle of time or you will not have sufficient time to process your visa. So जब आपके ये सारे documents ready हो, then only start processing your application. If you want a proper profile assessment to be done, connect with us, drop a comment box or you can log into our website www.smartstepclasses.com. And if you like the content of our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updated video.